Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us remotely is Andrew Rees. He's the CEO of Crocs. We're going to learn more about its campaign responding to COVID-19 with a free pair for healthcare. Andrew, it's great to have you on Trade Talks. Thanks so much for making the time in what's certainly unprecedented in all of our businesses.
Absolutely. Happy to be here.
All right. So tell us more about the campaign, A Free Pair for Healthcare, and how you are supporting your communities and employees as we respond to COVID-19.
Yeah, so what we've been doing now for almost 3 weeks is we've been donating a significant number of pairs. I think we're over 300,000 pairs at this point to frontline healthcare workers. So we're doing that in 2 ways. One is a free pair for healthcare, which is an opportunity for a healthcare worker to log on to our website, typically around noon Eastern time. We've also done some sessions in the evening to mix it up and give healthcare workers who work in different shifts the opportunity. They can log on, provide minimal information, and we'll ship them a free pair of shoes. The other thing that we're doing is also doing what we call kind of bulk donations, where we're contacted by a hospital or a regional health authority, and they're looking for a few thousand pairs to outfit a variety of healthcare workers. We're also doing that as well in parallel. This whole initiative came to us because right at the beginning of the crisis, we started hearing from our customers, from our healthcare workers, saying how applicable a product was for the environments they're working in. It was easy to clean, easy to sterilize, and allowed them to move from a quarantine environment to a non-quarantine environment very easily, easy on and off. And it was also allowed them to clean their foot before they went home to their family to minimize any risk of transmission. So I would have to say, really, the genesis of the idea really came from the healthcare workers themselves, and we've been thrilled to respond, and it's been gratifying to do. But it's also had some very beneficial impacts for the business as well.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite remarkable how quickly Crocs was able to mobilize to fulfill this request. I mean, you're getting up to 20,000 requests per day.
Exactly, yeah. So initially we started off by donating 10,000 pairs a day. Then we realized the demand was far, far greater than that. Even as recently as end of last week, when we open up our sites to give away these shoes, we often have 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 people in line. So we realized that wasn't enough. So we've increased the quantities that we're giving away to 20,000 a day to try and satisfy more people. I think the only limitation we really have at this point is our ability to ship those in a timely manner. Yeah, it's definitely been a logistical challenge, and one that our team has responded to incredibly well.
All right, and to wrap up here, Crocs, how is everyone managing all the employees staying safe and healthy?
Oh, absolutely, yes. So, obviously, as most of the retailers, all of our stores are closed. Our head office employees are working remotely. I have to say, a few months ago, we installed and we started using Microsoft Teams, which has been absolutely incredible as we work remotely. Really, the only facility that continues to operate here in the United States is our warehouse in Ohio. They're doing a phenomenal job, and we're very pedantic with cleaning, with our policies and procedures and our social distancing, in that warehouse to make sure all of those employees stay safe, stay well, and feel safe.
Okay, Andrew, thanks so much for joining us on Trade Talks.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.